Hi everyone! Today I'm at the gym because I want to sign up and start working out. Let's see how it goes.
Hi there. Welcome to Flex Gym. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to register for a membership. Could you tell me about the options?
Sure. We offer monthly, quarterly, and annual memberships. Do you plan to come often?
Yes, I want to work out at least 4 times a week.
Perfect. Then the annual plan would save you the most money. It also includes free access to group classes.
That sounds great. What kind of classes do you have?
We have yoga, Pilates, spinning, and HIIT training.
I'd love to try yoga and maybe spinning. Do you also have personal trainers?
Yes, we do. A personal trainer can help you set goals and create a customized workout plan.
That's exactly what I need. I want to improve my stamina and tone my muscles.
Awesome. We also have modern equipment, treadmills, ellipticals, weight machines, and free weights.
Sounds amazing. Is there a swimming pool too?
Yes, we have an indoor pool plus a sauna and locker rooms. Towels are included.
Perfect. How much is the annual plan with trainer support?
It's $450 for the membership and $30 per session with a trainer.
Okay, I'll go with the annual plan and maybe book a trainer twice a month.
Great choice. I'll just need your ID and a payment method.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Your membership starts today. You'll get a key card to access the gym anytime between 6 a.m. and 11 p.m.
That's really convenient. Can I join a yoga class today?
Of course. There's one starting in 20 minutes in Studio B.
Perfect timing. Thanks for all the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your workout, and welcome to the Flex Gym family.
1. Sign up? Register for something. 2. Membership. Subscription to a service 3. Group classes. Sessions with multiple people. 4. Personal trainer. Fitness coach. 5. Set goals. Decide what you want to achieve. 6. Workout plan. Scheduled exercises. 7. Stamina. Physical endurance. 8. Tone muscles. Make muscles firm. 9. Free weights. Dumbbells, barbells, etc. 10. Locker room, changing room in a gym. That was great. I can't wait to start training here. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily English conversations. See you in the next video.